It's a pretty big world out there. A lot of places for that Magicband to be.
Judy?
No, it's me, your cameraman.
Dan and Cassie here. We are here at Seabase Alpha looking for the missing purple Magicband.
Apparently this Magicband has unlimited fast passes good for any time and also a 50% discount on all food and merchandise. We got tipped off by somebody named Judy who told us it's probably in the area.
They don't even know who Judy is.
So you should probably tell them.
Okay, so here's the deal. A couple of days ago, this person who goes by Judy started sending me messages about this legend of this missing purple Magicband. Well, we thought, who better to find this purple Magicband than the purple Parrots? So that is why we're here at Seabase Alpha, but we've been here a few hours and we're probably going to resurface soon.
Well, going to Seabase Alpha had no porpoise. We didn't get to see anything.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I just got another text from here. Judy, it's an article about the purple Magicband. It's on BuzzFeed.
Well, what does it say?
Further research shows that the Magicband was recovered from Seabase Alpha and taken to the mainland. But where would we keep such a mystical, elusive object?
I mean, a lot of countries would be fighting over it. We need a neutral country. Canada!
I don't think it's in Canada either.
Well, we need to look at this logically. Canada still claims Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II as their monarch.
Okay.
Okay, so there's one place we need to go. The United Kingdom.
Alright, let's go. Ah, the United Kingdom. So clear and spacious and... Oh, isn't it beautiful, Dan? Dan? Oh, Dan. I've been lost on my own in the United Kingdom for like 3 days. I lost Dan. I've been searching everywhere in this maze. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. What if he was taken captured? I don't know where he is. I don't know how am I ever gonna find the purple Magicband without him. I don't know what I'm gonna
Cassie,
do.
what are you doing?
Dan?
I've literally been standing here the entire time. We've made it to France, the city of love.
And food.
The city of lights.
And food.
The culture. The history.
And the food.
Cassie, are you hungry?
Oh, I thought you'd never ask.
All right, let's go get some ice cream. So, after a thorough and extensive search of France, we have come to the conclusion Magicband's not here. Let's try Morocco.
Let's go.
Okay. Man, this place Aladdin sent us is so bizarre.
Oh, look, there's a magic lamp.
Aladdin told us to check them.
Genie. Oh, look, Judy.
What'd she say?
She says we have to go east.
How east?
Far east. I still haven't found anything.
I don't think we're going to.
I think Judy's sending us the wrong way on purpose.
So you know what we need to do.
We need to start over.
Exactly. And there's only one place to do that.
America. Damn.
What?
I found a clue. Right here.
Here we go. All right, so it says that during the Renaissance, a band of great power was forged.
The purple magic band.
Gotta be. And then it says many were jealous of its power, so its creator hid it, where it disappeared, and no one has seen it since.
We need to go to the center of the Renaissance.
Where's that?
Italy.
Well, let's go. Cassie, what are you doing?
I'm looking for loose bricks.
Easy there, National Treasure. Cassie, come here.
Here, I can't see.
Said something.
The secret of the band. Travel? This isn't in Italian. I think that's German.
Well, there's only one place where we should go then.
Probably Germany.
Exactly. Let's go.
Wait a second, this doesn't belong here. It's a two-headed dragon. It says damn.
It's me.
Oh, you hear that glass door? Two-headed dragon in German.
So weird.
Do you see this? This is a magic band symbol on the bottom. And it says, from Judy,
But look what it also says.
made in China. That's where magic bands are made, of course. It's been right in front of us this whole time.
I guess when Judy said we needed to go east, we went too far east.
We better get out of here. Here. I'll put this somewhere safe. You go.
Look. It says right there that when they unearthed these statues, they were found with weapons, jewelry, and other artifacts that can be seen in the adjacent building.
We might be able to find our magic band there.
Well, let's go. There it is.
I lost him.
Him. I mean her.
They're replicas.
Of course they are.
Well, let's take a break.
China was an absolute bust.
This is so frustrating. We keep going places and nothing ever turns out the way we want it to.
It's like it's not gonna happen.
We're never gonna find the purple magic band.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist.
It has to exist. There were clues everywhere.
And where have they led us? It's like we're getting absolutely nowhere. Wait a minute.
We're in Norway. While we're here, I suppose we could take a boat ride.
We could try to look for clues. The boat ride and give us a good tour of the country.
No, where's the boat ride? Wait a second.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Why everything we do just dies? We can't find the magic band. We can't go on the boat ride. I'm gonna quit. No stupid magic band at the seas, nothing at Canada, no United Kingdom. We checked France, there was nothing there but food. We checked in Morocco, no America, no Italy, no Germany, no China, no... Of course. Where else would the purple parrots solve the mystery of the missing purple magic band? It's been right in front of us this whole time.
I couldn't find anything.
Still no luck?
Nothing.
This has been such a bust. We haven't been able to find anything.
I thought we would have the... Hey, look, a note.
A note?
It says that the safety of the Magic Band was compromised, and then it had to be moved to a safer location. It says, "Good luck, Judy." And there's a picture of a gear that looks like a mouse.
A mouse gear? Really? I guess we could try looking there.
I mean, we don't really have any other options.
Let's go. It's not here.
There's no purple. Stupid Magic Band.
Stupid Judy.
Stupid.